Did you know you could fit a 1967 through 72 QA1 F100 rear suspension coilover kit onto a later year truck, the 73 through 79, or dent side as they call them? You can fit this kit to your truck with only a few basic modifications, and I'm going to show you how I did this one. So the three modifications that you need to make, really, there is a pinion angle truss bar that connects to the frame. The one provided in the early kit is a little short. You basically just lengthen it. The other thing is you're going to need to make a different notch pattern than the little cardboard template they gave you. And also the panhard bars, and the panhard bar and radius rod are different lengths because you're a little bit wider. So you essentially have to either replace those or make them longer. I've already done the QA1 front suspension on this vehicle, and if you want to see that, you can find that video on this channel. It was a snap. Once you get your bed off, believe me, this is the easy way to do it. Take your rear end off and the leaf springs, open up your kit, start reading it. Pretty much you're going to be grinding rivets for hours. Get it to look like this and you'll be ready to go. Just like with the QA1 front suspension, you're going to have to make a couple of frame mods to get this to work. Now, you will have to end up cutting these twice, these notches, and I'll show you why. Using the QA1 instructions and the little cardboard template they give you, after you notch the frame their way, you'll see that your side plates just don't fit. What I did was I measured and made an imaginary line where I want good steel. And then I went over and I made cardboard templates, offered them up, and traced them out onto the frame. After I did that, I made those shapes out of steel and removed the portion of the frame that was wrong and put in my new portion of the frame that was correct. Once I did this, I welded both sides, offered up the plates, and voila, they fit. And you can arrive at that in any way you want. There's a million different ways to skin a cat, but you basically got to make these fit on this frame. Once you do that, it's 80% bolt on. Drill a few extra holes. You're going to have to get yourself a good 7/16 drill bit. Where I'm at with this one, obviously I'm all bolted in. I got my pinion angle truss lengthened. That I basically just cut it and sleeved it. Cut this bar. It's square tubing. I found another piece of square tubing that fits inside of it. I sleeved it back about 3 inches on each side. Basically, all I did was just extend this 2.5 inches. If QA1 would sell a bar that's 2.5 inches longer, and those side templates, they would have a kit for the 73 through 79. That's all you got to do. I'm going to bolt it up. I'll drill the holes and bolt this in place, center it all up. I have to weld this yet. But yeah, that's basically it, and you have the full kit. The third and final part of getting the suspension on this truck is not only did we have to lengthen that front crossmember bar, we also have to lengthen the panhard bars. There's 2 panhard bars that are on the back, and they end up being about the same distance short. So I'm going to lengthen those tomorrow, and then this will be done. This kit will be installed. And again, you can arrive at any of these solutions in a myriad of different ways. You take the way that works best for you. I'm just showing you what I did. Until QA1 comes up with a kit for your 73 through 79, this is the way you're going to have to do it, or something similar. As always, please remember to like, subscribe, and share everywhere you see fit. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. We've got a lot of amazing things coming. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.